Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, my name is Ilham and welcome to Ambar Ilham channel. Recently, I found this interesting macro Excel template on internet. I will put on the link below the link I found, and by using that link, I can use the withdrawing for door price. In the near time, we will face the Happy New Year 2023 and also Christmas for people who celebrate it. And in that event, we usually have the door prize, and we use the manual door prize to withdraw the winner. By using this Excel template, we can easily withdraw the winner. We can easily use this template by put the price on the column price here and put the winner on the winner price, and we can withdraw by click once, and you will see click the price, and then as you can see here, Samsung SH, who will be the winner for Samsung SH. The next step is just click the draw, and then the winner is Rose. And the next, I want to withdraw for the next price, just put the on the price column which has the blank, and then we will define the winner. We cannot do that because we have to put on the price, and then the winner is, as you can see here, is Edmund. Edmund is the winner for the iPhone X. And next, I want to fulfill this until all is full. I want to complete this, but before do that, Edmund is not present, so I want to change by delete the Edmund name on the column A and also on the column D here, and the next winner is Heavy. And I want to complete this all. The next for the iPad Pro is Kevin. The MacBook Pro, who is the winner for the MacBook Pro? The winner is MacDo. And the last is for the Sony TV, is the grand prize. The winner is Gantt. And I want to show you the code for the macro by select the developer and then select macro, and then you can see here we have two window here. That's for the first one is you can see this the formula here, and if I change the count from 30 to 100, as you can see, we can withdraw by the longer time. For example, Yang is not present. I want to delete the name of Yang for the grand prize, and then the winner is, I withdraw the winner once more. And the winner is Rina. Rina is the winner for the grand prize of Sony TV. Okay. You can, if you don't have the Visual Basic editor, you can choose the Polytable editor by select the tab and then the developer, and then show the developer. As you can see, this antique and the developer is not shown. Want to show again? Choose the customize ribbon and then select the developer as on the right column, and you can see the developer under your tab ribbon. Thank you for watching. If you have any question regarding Excel, Word, or Google Sheet, please write down. Inshallah I will answer on the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.